Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Node.js in your Windows machine, and also I'll show you how to install a specific version of Node.js version and the latest long-term support version of Node.js, right? So open your Node.js command prompt, right? So I'm going to see the versions already installed. So I have two versions installed. One is 15.0.0 and 10.23.1, right? So let's say I'm going to install a specific version of Node.js. npm install, I'm going to say 12.3.0. So before that I want to check whether that particular version already exists, because we cannot type unreleased version number, right? So 12.3.0, 12.3.0, yeah, this version is there. So I'm going to the command prompt again and click on enter, right? So now it is downloading the 12.3.0 version of Node.js, and it is also downloading the npm version, right? So it is installing it. You can see the Node.js version 12.3.0 got installed. So I'm going to check it, npm list. Yeah, so we have three versions now. Right, so I'm going to install the latest version of Node.js. The command is npm install node. So it shows Node.js vnode.0.0 is only available in 32-bit. So let me check npm install. Since my machine is 64-bit, right, this command works only in 32-bit. So I'm going to run another command, npm install latest. So let me check whether it works. Yeah, perfect, it worked. So it is downloading the latest version of Node.js, right? And it is installing the latest version of Node.js. Also, it is downloading npm, and post that it is going to install npm version 8.18.0, right? So the command is npm install latest, right? So if you're working with Windows 10 machine or a 64-bit OS, right, so this command will be useful for you. So you can see the latest Node.js version is installed. So I'm going to check, right? So it shows 4 versions installed in my machine, and the currently using version is 15.0.0. So I have shown you in my previous video, right? So I will add that video in the description. So how to install npm and how to switch between the Node.js versions, right? npm list available, right? So you can see the available LTS version, the current version, the old stable, old unstable versions, right? So from this LTS list, right, so I'm going to install the 16.16.0 version. So how do I do that? We already did it. npm install 16.16.0, right? So when I click enter, it automatically installs, downloads the 16.16.0 version and installs it, right? So this is how we install the latest version of Node.js with the help of npm, a specific version of Node.js, and also the LTS version of Node.js. You can see the npm had installed the version 16.16.0. So when I check it with npm list, we can see 5 versions of Node.js installed, and the currently used version is 15.0.0. So you can watch my previous video to switch between the Node.js versions. I hope this video would have helped you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.